Hi, my name is Henry Yap, S60322, and today I will present about a study on the species composition of rays in Terengganu landing base during monsoon and non-monsoon season. So now I will talk about the research background. Rays are actually a type of cartilaginous fish that can easily be distinguished with their flattened, disc-like body and an anthocyte mouth by 5 gills opening. Most of them are bottom dwellers that feed on plankton and small fishes and also invertebrates on the ocean floor. They are a type of predators that help to maintain a balance in the food web. As to date, there are now approximately 630 different kind of rays and skates that are divided into 18 families when scientifically divided. This is the classification of rays. Rays belong to the subclass Elasmobranchi, which is why they are often called Elasmobranch. There are three families of rays, which is Dashatiridae, which is stingrays, Maliobatidae, which is eagle rays, and also Mobulidae, which is manta rays. The justification or the reason why I did this study is that rays are a big part of commercial fisheries and also humans' diet, which means humans consume rays every day. And their numbers are now decreasing due to the high demand from consumers. Half of the ray species are considered as data deficient, which means its lack of information on their extinction risk. Also, the species composition and distribution of rays can help us to understand their behavior and could be the key to overcome the issue. So there are two objectives in my study, which is the first one to identify the species of rays that are present during monsoon and non-monsoon season. The second objective is to determine the size range of rays that are caught in landing bays. As for the sampling site, I chose three different landing bases in Terengganu, which is Kompleks Perikanan LKIM Besut, Lembaga Kemajuan Ikan Malaysia LKIM Kuala Kemaman, and also Pelabuhan LKIM in Chendering. Moving on to the methodology, information will be collected on the species and size of rays that are caught in each different landing base. To do that, sampling will be done for 3 times at each landing base during monsoon season, which is November, December, and January, and non-monsoon season for April, May, and June. And to identify the rays and to measure them, I will use meters, ID books, cameras, and also stationaries. And to obtain the sample, I will pay the fishermen to get the rays and to collect their information. The data collected will be presented in tables and graphs. And to calculate the species diversity, I will use the Shannon-Winnan Diversity Index with the formula shown on the slide. So after conducting this study, I will expect new and updated information in terms of ray species composition in Terengganu. And hopefully this new information can be used in other research and studies. Also, it is expected that the race fishing in the future can be done sustainably by avoiding catching threatened species and also juvenile. So this is the Gantt chart that represents the progress of my study. And as for now, I'm still working on my proposal writing, and hopefully by September of 2023, everything will be done. And lastly, these are my references. Thank you.